Cyberox here. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on HTML. Now, if y'all watched my last videos, the first one was just me setting up to be able to start doing HTML tutorials. I made a full website out of HTML and CSS, and then I made another video on getting pumped up for HTML, and now I'm making a video for HTML anyways. And we can go ahead and get started. But since I do not have a really good video recorder, I'm gonna do this all in Notepad. I don't like Notepad anymore because I'm more advanced and I know how to do more stuff. And I have another Notepad called Notepad Portable or Notepad Plus Portable, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but anyways, it looks just like this. And it just really arranges stuff for me. But since my recorder, or whenever I go to Movie Maker, it looks like complete trash. And if I try to just upload it from Camsta, it takes forever. But I'm doing it all in Notepad, so regular Notepad. Let's go ahead and get started. First, make a file, and make a brand new file, and this is where everything's going to be at. In fact, I'm going to do an HTML tutorial right now, and the next tutorial is going to be a CSS, and the next one's going to be HTML, and I'm just going to trade off from there. And please go check the CSS tutorial out later, because I'm near the last tutorial I'm going to do on beginners, and it's going to start involving CSS, but for right now we'll just do HTML. So I'm going to name this HTML or HML lowercase, and inside here is where we're going to save everything. So you might want to resize it to be the right whatever you want. Go ahead and put it right here. Okay, now for the basics. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to go ahead and type in the two symbols, which is required for opening and closing tags of HTML. And you also have angle brackets, and you have squiggly brackets, which also open and close angle brackets, or open and close paragraphs, open and close code and stuff like that. So go ahead and start by holding shift and hitting so what you want to go ahead and do is type in, or hold shift, hit the less than, and go ahead and hit the greater than, and it should look like a diamond, a sideways diamond. And in here you're going to type in HTML, and what this simply does is tell the computer what kind of file we are running. And right now at the very top of the code is saying HTML. I believe computers run from top to bottom, so whatever you put first and all that will happen in the body. Since we're doing a basic one, go ahead and hit enter 2 times, give you some space. It has like one little space right there. Type in /HTML. Now / means end. And instead of you would type in something like actually, hold on, sorry, let me change the font size of this because I'm not sure if y'all can see it. Sorry if y'all can't. There we go. Anyways, instead of typing something like end HTML, which is not a real code, or not that I know of, instead of typing something like that, you just simply type in the /HTML, and the / means to end. So remember, keep that in mind. And on the video before this, I told y'all to have a notepad and pen ready, like pencil ready. And this is where it comes in, because right now, if you do have a notepad and you do wish to follow and remember the HTML, please go back and watch that video, and continue watching this one. And I really wish that you do have a notepad, because again, this is how I learned real fast. So if you do have a notepad, since you have a notepad, go ahead and write down that / symbol in your notepad, and type in, or write equal, and then you want to go ahead and type in write means to end. It basically lets you know basically you're telling yourself what the slash means. It means to end. Alright, and that works for every command in HTML. Okay, so anyways, we have HTML, simple up, and we want to go ahead and type another simple one called body. And you want to look at this medically too, because you have a body right now, and you have your liver, your kidneys all inside your body. Well, code is basically your kidneys and your liver and all your guts. Whatever's inside your body is going to display onto the web page itself, onto the website itself, and also above the body, which would be basically your head, and literally it's called head. And this is just real quick, head would be for your title. And so basically look at HTML as a real life human body, because you got the head, and that one's for your title, like what it displays at the very top of your web page. Then you got the body. And sorry, there's no colon or anything, or no butt, lower, below waist or anything like that. But since you already got body, go ahead and do the less than, greater than again. Put a P right in the middle, and go ahead and put less than / P greater than. And right between these are where your paragraph's going to be. So if you're going to do, God bless the USA, it's simply going to type in that. Now, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and, in your case, you want to go ahead and click on File and click Save As. And you want to go ahead and find your file that you made. You want to go ahead and, I'm going to find mine. Where is it? HTML, right there. And you want to save it in this file, because this is where everything else is going to end up at. So I'm going to type in HTML, and you want to save it as, like, whatever. Like, I'm going to save mine as human.html. So please do not forget .html. Now, I did that. I'm over here, and as you see here, we have something that looks like Firefox. It may look like Internet Explorer to you, whichever one you use. You want to go ahead and double click on that, and here you go. You have God bless the USA, and that is your real quick first basic HTML code. P stands for paragraph. And I want you to go ahead and, again, in your notepad, in real life notepad, where you can really write, go ahead and type in, or write P equals paragraph. You want to go ahead and type in that, or write in that. Sorry, I'm so used to computer, I'm writing nothing. But anyways, you want to go ahead and put that in your notepad, okay? You just simply go ahead and do that, and also put in body in your notepad. The reason for this is because you will remember it easier and more efficient. And so everything's going to be actually a lot easier to remember, among other things. I use the notepad, and it helped for me as well. So, But, anyways, you got your simple paragraph, and in here. And that's all I'm gonna do for this tutorial, because I'm gonna take it step by step. Anyways, HTML body, whatever's in the middle of the body lines before it ends the body, it's gonna display that most of the time, unless you have like a header tag, and we will get into that in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching CyberRocks.